In this video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Solana, SOL, to USDT in Binance. This is perfect if you're looking to lock in profits or move into stablecoins quickly. Let's get started. First, open the Binance app or website and sign in using your registered account. Make sure your account is verified so you can access all features including conversions. Then go to the Trades section. On mobile, it's at the bottom menu. You'll see several options like Spot, Margin, Convert, and P2P. Next, click on Convert, which is the easiest way to swap between cryptos instantly without worrying about charts or order books. In the From section, click the existing crypto and search for SOL. Then select Solana. This is the crypto you'll be converting from. Then in the To section, click to change it and choose USDT. After that, input the amount of SOL you want to convert and click Preview Conversion to see the exchange rate and amount you'll receive. Finally, confirm the conversion if you're happy with the rate. The converted USDT will appear in your spot wallet right away. And that's how you convert SOL to USDT on Binance. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Tutor for more crypto guides. See you next time!